Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix randomly shuts off in Samsung Galaxy S26. First of all, check volume and power keys. Now check volume and power key. Now press power off or volume down key same time. Now go back. After that, turn off auto restart. Open settings, search auto restart. Now click on auto restart. Again click on auto restart. Here you will see restart when needed, restart on schedule. Now turning off these buttons. After turning off these buttons, turn off auto restart from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all settings. Open settings, scroll down, click on general management, click on reset, click on reset all settings, click on reset settings. After click on reset settings, all settings will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix randomly shuts off in Samsung Galaxy S26. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.